Today we are build a powerful n8n workflow that automated the entire process convert text file into audio. Was a Google Drive folder with text file. Convert the text file to audio file and upload resulting audio mp3 back to the Google Drive. In transcribed audio folder, here is a final mp3. Start our n8n and create a workflow. Rename it as transcribing text to audio drive and create two folders: text input and audio output. In text folder we will upload our text, voice text. Audio output folder, transcribe audio, here is now empty. After final execution, generated mp3 file will be stored here. Now we will add Google Drive trigger node. Search Google and you can see to select on change. For downloading file, text file. Add Google Drive download. And select the file by ID and then it download and drag and drop the in field. The ID field and run. We can download this file from n8n. It's different from. Now we'll add another node. Extracting from file, text to file. Search text to file. And run. Test the step. Final out. We got text output. Now we'll add another node for generate audio. OpenAI and I generate audio and configure it as text input, the drag and drop, and we can select voice alloy here selected. You can change it any voice of drop down and step run step. We got the audio file as binary file. Then we will upload it on our Google Drive. As file name, you can any file name, but we if you want to same file name as our text file, we should run this code. I place here and set the directory Google Drive folder where the audio file upload. If we run our workflow, yes, we can see transcribe with audio file. Workflow is still executing. Yes, finally executed. Now, yeah, audio file is come here. You can enhance notification, send an email, or Slack alert when new audio created. Voice customization, switch model, adjust audio speed, text splitting. For long file, split text into chunk and merge audio output. And that's how you build seamless text to speech pipeline in n8n and OpenAI. No manual step, just drop your text and let automation do the rest. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell. Want more workflow like this? Let me know in the comments. See you next time.